Today we will be working with letters and words because sometimes even in Excel want to have all lowercase letters. So in those situations we'll be using lower function. Sometimes we need uppercase letters, so we'll be using upper function, and sometimes we want proper words, so in those situations we will be using proper function. That's change all words to start from uppercase letters and all other letters will be lowercase letters. And it's important when we are adding numbers to our words, only letters counts, and it's especially important in the case of proper function where the first letter in words, so numbers doesn't count, are uppercase letters and all others are lowercase letters.